Go ahead and let go of the magazine. Now put this all the way. This is your forward scissors. You can always make sure it's in battery with that. You just pop that right there if you want to.
What does it do?
It's called your forward assist. It just, if it doesn't go quite into battery, you hit that and that will help. If you notice on the bolt, it's got these ratchets,
yeah,
and that engages those and help push it forward. But you're good. Everything's in battery. It's ready to go.
All right.
That's it.
Yep.
Put it on safe.
Touch the barrel just for grins.
Ow.